Shut up, bitch. Hello guys, this is the first video yes of Dward and Twix TV. Now we're in a summer day. It's very hot as you see.
The sun is killing me. So, Dward, what can you say?
It's very hot. I'm burning. The sun is burning my eyes. Nah, it's gone.
No, yeah. Let's go to sleep.
Sounds good. Nah, that is boring. Now let's see.
Shut up, bitch.
Let's kill her. Wait a second, I'm coming back.
I don't know where it's going.
I got a rock.
Okay, I'm coming.
She's gone.
Nice.
Now, you're going to be gone.
Okay, stop it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
The bird is going to be shocked and deep fried.
Let's see.
Let's go out.
Wait. There are 2 birds.
He's calling his buddy. Come, let's take a little walk
Around the neighborhood.
I'm going to take our lucky hat, okay?
No.
Okay.
Let's go. He's silly.
That's my nice name.
As you can see, a garbage bag.
Come.
Yes, there is.
I don't care.
Go away.
Come here.
There's nobody. As you heard, it's a very sunny day. There's no one out. Okay.
We are going to go for a walk. I told. Stop ruining my privacy. Let's
Okay.
go for a walk.
No. Let's go somewhere that's not sunny. Let's go
I know.
under the tree.
I know.
Where?
Come here.
Where?
Follow me.
No. It's very sunny. Okay.
Pause. Stop a little. I need a
Breather.
yes.
Okay.
Stop it.
Okay, bye.
Stop here.